Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back. So today I thought we'd take a little bit of a tour of the Boss Tone Studio for the Katana Amps. I got this program downloaded when I got my Katana 100 amp the other day, and thought I'd show you guys what I know so far and how easy it is to actually manipulate this program. So from default, every time you fire up your amp, doesn't matter where the particular knob is for the booster mod, it's always turned off from default. So you're going to have to turn that on manually all the time, because it just puts you on like a clean channel or whatever channel you were on last. But anyway, so with the blues drive, it also puts you at the tape echo on the amber selection, and it puts you amber on the reverb. Now, Boss programmed in a lot of their own stuff, and they gave us 4 channel banks on A and as well as on B from the looks of things too. So that's like kind of like 8 banks. Plus you've got the panel as well as another programmable area, which is right up here. You click panel, and they've got the booster set as RAT, analog delay, and reverb. Now I got to turn the volume up a bit here. So anyway, you can program all this stuff, change it any way you want. Okay, and for example, blues drive. They got a T-screamer pedal here. So turn on your mod. And if you don't like it that way, click on the booster button here, and you got all your settings in here. Bottom, effect level. Bring your drive up if you want it up. If you want to bring that drive back. And your tone. Your delay effects and your reverb effects will both be turned on by factory default. I mean, you can change anything to wherever you want it, which is kind of nice. So you can manipulate these pedals rather easily. Now they also have the metal zone pedal, which a lot of guys might like. That's actually kind of cool. And but you can't run a booster and a mod. Same as your delay and your FX. It's one or the other. And then you have your reverb. So you get 3 things that you can do at once, which is great. But you can also throw in a 4th. Okay? And that would be on your amp type. Brown, lead, crunch, clean, or acoustic. Now acoustic is only for acoustic electric guitars to be plugged into the amp, because it changes the circuitry over, so it uses the amp as an acoustic amp. Okay, so you can safely do that. Your clean, crunch, lead, and brown, that's all for electric guitars. Anyways, you can also preset your gain and volume for each selection, your bass, mid, and trebles. You can change that around too if you want more bass on this. I mean, you can make it sound like total crap if you want, or you can clean it back up. If you want more mid, throw the mid up. Same as your treble, whatever. Put treble to the top. You can do this with any of these. Same as your mod. Go into your mod for your chorus, change it over to a phaser. Manipulate the settings. Delay, same thing. Manipulate the settings. You can even use this instead of a knob. These you have to use the knobs, or go over to the side menus and change stuff here. Boom, boom. Now, when you're done doing a mod, if you want that particular mod and you're happy with the sound, just click the button that says write. Boom, write it to the amp. It's done. Next, go next, go next, and then when you're done each one, you write them to the amp as you do each one, and voila. Or do it up as a whole set of presets all at once. Boom, 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 boom. This is what you want, and then say hit write. But you know, whatever. It's that simple and easy to use this program. You know, you also have a presence control as well you can mess with. In your reverb area, you have a second delay, which you can change to any of these that they give you. You only have so many delays. You have modulate, spring, hall, room, and plate for your reverbs, which is pretty cool. You know, that's actually really nice. And you can change your tap rates as well, you know, whatever. Say you want a rotary mod. So let's switch to the rotary. But I want to have some brown channel on that. Crunch channel. It's kind of like whatever you want to do type of thing, right? They have all kinds of stuff in here to mess with. They got an auto wah as well. Let's go to the auto wah. Lots of fun. So you want to change that around. It's in the mod section. Auto wah mod. You have LPF or BPF for your modes. You also have an EQ section as well, where you can do up your EQs. And there is an EQ pedal in here as well. I think that might be under mod. There's also an acoustic guitar simulator that you can also get. You just got to set things up the way you want it. I would cut back on the lows a bit on that one. Change the body type as well. You can actually make it sound really close to an actual acoustic guitar if you wanted to. So there is an actual acoustic simulator pedal within this. See, the Cube 60 amp has the acoustic simulator effect, so you just switch to it, right? Well, with this amp, that acoustic mode on the amp is only for an acoustic guitar specifically. It will not make your electric guitar sound like an acoustic guitar. It changes the circuitry, like I said. Anyway, so it's that simple and easy to monkey with all this stuff. Whatever features they give you, you can manipulate the daylights out of this. It is a lot of fun. It's great. It's easy. I find this better than the Fender Fuse program, to be honest, guys. And I am sorry for the poor quality picture. I tried to do this as a screenshot through QuickTime, through OBS, and because the amp has to be plugged into the USB port in order to access and for us to be able to hear the changes and everything, For some reason it keeps cutting off my mic. I even tried to run dual inputs through the OBS, and that didn't work either, so I had to resort to this as my only other method to show this program to you guys today. So if it's not as clear as it could be, I do apologize for that. But I wanted to give you guys a rundown of this program and how it works. Now that was just in the channel 1 area. Like I said, you still got like this B section as well, you know, and it has different presets in here too. So there's like a clean BST, whatever that is. We'll just move this over to the clean channel here. And see, we got a flanger, it looks like. Again, we gotta adjust our volume. Now I'm only running my amp in the half-watt mode too. I'm not running it, you know, in 50 or 100-watt mode, so it may be a little quieter for some things. So we'll take that and we'll put it on crunch. And we'll go here to the delay. Like I said, Boss has their own ideas of things that they did, and we get to change it to any way we want. But pretty cool. Really liking this amplifier and the software. Works just great. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this helps you with the software and gives you an idea of how things work. So again, when you're done programming whatever you want to program in whatever channel bank, hit the right button and it sends all that to the amp and sets her up for you, and you're done. And then you just turn off the program, turn off your amp, reset your amp, and all the new changes are there. Same thing, I'm messing around right now. If I quit the program, that last sound is going to stay active for me. So I just turn off the amp, turn it back on, back to factory defaults. Because I'm not saving any of these changes yet. It's going to take me time to figure out exactly what I want set up. And once I actually get my setups done, I'll actually show them to you guys of what I've done for all my presets. Thanks again for watching. We'll catch you in the next one.